he forgot he forgot his camera at home, so I grabbed it. I'm on my way to the shop. I can't wait to see what he brings you guys today, and he'll have a good time doing it. So let's get there and check him out. All right, guys. So today we're gonna be tearing down Emilio's Hondaru engine, the built one that he built with the Sains rods and all that jazz. So it needs to go to the machine shop to get a nice fresh hone. There's some nicks in the sleeves, as well as we got a couple other stuff we need to drop out of the machine shop. So we're gonna just tear into a few things today and see if we can get them disassembled.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Alright, so we got the pistons out now. You see in here, there's a bunch of just little nicks kind of all over. See, little bits of rust. That's not really much of a problem. That'll go away, but all these little bits, these little nicks and everything, that needs cleaned up. So we'll give it a fresh hone. The guys over at US Automotive have a really nice machine, so they'll do their thing, and then we'll get a right set of pistons coming and get this thing back together for Emilio and in Hondaru, so we can rip it, dude. He's just got a stock engine in there. I think he even pulled it out. I've been watching a little bit and saw a video where he was standing in the engine bay. So as well, there's a few things I need to button up for Brett Hunter's Rally CRX. These here clamps, I need to get onto the intercooler and onto the intake, and then I need to start getting the water and the coolant and everything in it. He brought me by the engine ice. He uses engine ice for his water and everything. It's really, really good stuff. And then we gotta dump Gordo's motor out. We haven't yet, guys. Oh, we're freaking, yeah, I know, right? So we got to dump Gordo's motor out. It's just axles and engine mounts. We're going to dump that out. Eric's coming by today. I think he's going to motivate Gordo some and help him do it. we got to do that. We got to rip his apart because we got 3 blocks that need to go to the machine shop. I need an H-sleeved, Gordo sleeved, and then Emilio's needs a nice fresh hone. I love Brett's car. This thing is so cool. We need to get one of those Honda Rescue Garage lift kits for this thing and get this thing all jacked up in the air. That would be just the coolest. All right. So I just need to go ahead and top the water off, and then that thing's good. All the clamps are nice and tight. I'm excited to get Brett back out there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the clutch or the flywheel thrown on Jose's as well. He has a new clutch for it, but just get the flywheel on there so I can go back and home to him. I'm excited. This thing's all buttoned up as well. All right, so we have the Euro headlights that are just one headlight on both sides. So we're gonna go ahead and wire up the headlights here. I need to solder this side still. We're just running it up in through this hole and then back through here, throughout there, right there in the back, way back there. So it's far behind the wheel, and then underneath we're gonna hook it up to a relay, both lights on one relay, and then run it to the fuel tech buttons and have a button to turn them on and off, as well as the tail lights. We'll figure out just to put on the brake switch or something, get that all taken care of. I'm pumped. All right, so I got my headlights all wired up out here. I need to take them to a relay in there and then into the switch panel. All right, so I've got the relay pretty much all wired up now. I just need to connect this red wire here to power where all the powers are on this little solid state relay here, and then I need to start pinning up my outputs. I'm gonna run this wire for the lights, the ground wire to the outputs, and then I'm gonna wire the speed sensor as well tomorrow morning. I need to pick up a few things so that I'm able to connect this relay here to this solid state relay. I'm out of eyelets that are big enough. I have a bunch of eyelets, just not one that's big enough for that terminal, so I need to pick that up. And then while I'm there, I'll just get a few other things to make sure I can clean this all up and get it all wired real nice. I'm really excited. Things are coming along really good in here, man. I use the nice 3-wire looming shielded 3-wire and stuff to wire it all up, so all the wires are going to be nice, protected and strong and good. Wired them right through here. Nice little wiring, goes way back there behind the tire, so not even going to be close with either slicks or, and we can add a zip tie to it to make sure, but that'll work great. Super excited. I have a spare battery there just for all the chaos, but I also just got a pulley so we can start building the alternator rig, and I'm excited about that as well. Just however long the machinist is going to take is how long that'll take. So, but thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe down below. We're gonna keep moving. We got a bunch going on every which way here, and it's awesome.